good, y'all, man? BJ back with another video, back with another trucking vlog. Right now, we are delivering. We're going to AZ, Tucson, Arizona. I've never been to Tucson, I've only been to Phoenix. I'm currently in Vegas right now. I have to pass through, coming from Washington. It's about a 1,500 mile run. I had to take a 34 here in Vegas. So I ended up just going to the house, you know, for my 34 and just chilling and stuff, hanging out for a little bit. And yeah, right now we about to take off. We got to get some fuel. We're about to pre-trip real quick, get some fuel, and we out. 7-hour drive up there. We're gonna get there around midnight. I'm at the yard right now. We just got done pre-tripping. Now we about to go get some fuel real quick, and we out. We just got done filling up at the yard, and now we about to head out, man. Head to AZ. Let's get it. So with this company, I don't really like recording while I'm driving. Not really because of a company policy, but more so the fact like I don't have a mount. Shut up. I don't have a mount with this camera. I'm trying to get a camera with a mount and stuff like that, like a POV camera. But obviously with this company, they say I can't really talk while I'm driving. But I'm in the yard right now. I'm not really going as fast, so I kind of just record when I'm driving here a little bit and talk a little bit. But usually when I get to yards and stuff like DCs and stuff like that, and I got a drop and hook, that's when I'll just try to start recording for now until I could get like a camera mount and, you know what I'm saying, just investing more into my YouTube part of this. Yeah, y'all, let's get it. Get it out of body, man. Let's get it, man.
Change on my gang. I just left the White House, start by the same buddy ran up and he got shot. As I see the range, I get in a drop top. Got to get it.
That's exactly what I'm talking about, bro. Right there. Catch y'all later, though. Hey, stop right there. Do this. All right, man. Get these paperwork. Change them again.
Then you come back to the second line over here. This area right here.
All right, 578.
578.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right.
Yeah.
Paperwork cool. Oh, what the? Uh-huh. Yeah. Cool. right. My air and electrical line sealed and seated. Not one crack leaking. Come on, man. Lights cool. All right, mud flaps good. Check these tires. Tires are cool. I gotta look at the tread. I can't really see what the tread looking like. Damn, tires are overly good. That's great. All right, man, we out now. We about to go shut down. I'm gonna catch y'all at the yard, man. Stay tuned. I'm at the yard right now. Definitely about to get some sleep, wake up, and work out. I'll catch you on the next vlog, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. All right, what's good, y'all, man? BJ back on the camera right now. I'm about to head up to Roseville, California. Got to deliver to the Sam's. Trying to stay consistent for y'all. But yeah, let's get it, y'all.
Highs in the lower to mid 70s. Always remain up to date on the weather forecast. And now the weather, sir.
Shut up.
You are my stars in this galaxy. We took over now. You love me and I love you. I ain't slowing down. I keep with 100 and that's straight hard work on focus. Tell me, do you notice me? How you alone in the darkness? I'm so sure that you'll text me and you'll get sleep.
So I already picked up my load for the day earlier in the morning. I just got it out the way. I'm really trying to stay consistent for y'all, man. Like, y'all understand, but as soon as I get a mount so I can record and stuff like that, like without my camera falling, obviously I'm going slow right now so my camera doesn't fall, you know? And then y'all will see better content from that point on, man. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, bro. As soon as I scan my badge right here and head out this gate, I'm putting this camera down, man. I gotta take care of my equipment, bro. I can't be having my camera falling down. I ain't got no mount, man. Damn, it sucks, but we gonna invest, y'all. Y'all just trust the process, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all though, man. All right, y'all. I just touched down in Reno. I'm 2 hours away from SAC. We gonna chill, shut down here for the night, and yeah, I might go get something to eat right now, and get something to eat, chill, brush my teeth, call it a night. But yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. So look, y'all, we currently made it to the Sam's. Chilling right now, live load. Just about to chill, bro, for a little bit. Yeah, see what happens. So we shutting down for the night right now. Supposed to have some home time tomorrow. So hopefully we get a load to go back home tomorrow. And yeah, man, that's gonna do it for today's vlog, I think. Or yeah, the vlog itself, period. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna stay consistent for y'all. I promise I will. Just stay tuned. Stay locked in with me, man. I got y'all, bro.